Hey guys, so it's the day after we got back from Mexico. If you have watched my Mexico vlogs, you would have known that I left my vlogging camera here, so I was vlogging on my iPhone the whole time. It was really frustrating because I'm just trying to actually make the vlogs now. So you'll be seeing this like a week or two after I actually filmed this. But it was super annoying to kind of upload it from my iCloud. And this is what we came home to. Now come in. Come on. Is it cold? Wakes us. Marley and I are running a bunch of errands and it's super snowy. We're downtown. We have to go get Marley's mom's cat and take her to a cat hotel. Cattery. The Cattery. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a heavy duty fucking
rear-ended a friggin' tow truck, you dumbass. He's already got a load on.
So we live in British Columbia, more specifically on Vancouver Island, and we don't normally get snow. Like this year has been the most snow that we've had since 1996 probably. Well, slick. And people just have mental breakdowns about the snow and just can't do it. They like abandon their cars on the highway and stuff like that. And apparently you also rear end tow trucks towing like other cars that have been defeated by the snow. So we have a bunch of errands to run, so hopefully shit's not too crazy. We just got back from Mexico yesterday and this is what we came home to. Hey guys, so I started vlogging and then I stopped vlogging because I forgot, and then I remembered that I stopped vlogging and then I didn't pick up vlogging because I just didn't feel like it. So it is currently the 15th of February, so it's the day after Valentine's Day, but it's Marley's Valentine's Day because I'm taking him out for dinner. But I just had a very stressful 45 minutes and a fight with UPS because I live in a condo building and I order from Fashion Nova because I love their clothes, super affordable, great coupon codes. So I ordered a package for them, which included some stuff for my sister because her birthday was at the end of January, right before we left for Mexico. So I ordered some stuff for her. And anyway, so I had this package and they usually require. So as I was saying before my battery died last night, yesterday we did Valentine's Day for Marley, so we kind of split it up because it worked to do it a day later for me. So I had just gotten paid and it's kind of nice to do something for him as well, so it's not just about me. So I got him some fishing stuff. Hi, you're okay. I got him some fishing stuff and then we just got Indian food takeout and just kind of chilled. We were both pretty pooped. Marley has arthritis in his ankle and it was pretty bad yesterday, so he's kind of not wanting to do very much, which I totally get. I'm actually headed to work right now. I don't know if I've shown them in vlogs. I think they would have been in the end of my Mexico vlog and the end of my Mexico visual thing, but I did get 2 tattoos while I was in Mexico and they're still healing, but this is one of them and then there's Monk. That one is the other one. So I went to a place called Road's End, but I think they changed their name to Ritual Tattoos, and it's in San Lucas, and it's in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. It was super affordable and he obviously did like a really good job and I'm really happy with them, and it was nice because it was right in downtown San Lucas. What's wrong? Okay. Monkey's been acting kind of weird since we got back, like very needy but then also kind of like nervous at the same time, so I always forget this, but she's not a young cat. She's probably she'll be 13 in a couple months. So, well, morning guys, it is Friday morning. I am just headed to work. I started vlogging yesterday and then never vlogged again, which is pretty standard. I'm feeling like super exhausted today. I was up late. I don't know, I was just thinking about stuff too much, I guess. And yeah, I'm just kind of feeling exhausted. Just in general. I don't really know exactly what time I'm working until tonight. I have no idea what the plan is tonight, so I will keep you guys posted. I also have a package from Fashion Nova that I have to pick up. I think it's going to be available for pickup today. So I had to change where it's getting delivered because I'm afraid that they'll leave it outside my house again or outside my condo building, just like randomly at the front of our building. So I had them deliver it to an access point, so I would have gotten it yesterday if I hadn't changed the delivery. Fucking people just running out of... There was somebody hit by a car yesterday on this street that I live on and that I use to go to work, and fucking people just bolt out in front of cars in here. Like, it's the dumbest thing, and it's a major bus route, so people get off the bus and like run across the street. People are just fucking dumb. That's basically what it comes down to. Hey guys, it's later now. I just got home and I picked up a package from Fashion Nova. I think I mentioned earlier that I had to go pick it up, so I'll just unbox it here. I gotta find that tripod. I think my tripod's in my other room. Hold on. Hey guys, it is much later now. It's almost 11 o'clock. Marley went up to Dunkin' or Shawnigan or somewhere for the night, so he's not here. I've just been hanging out by myself. I was watching The Office. Then I saw somebody post on Facebook, one of the girls that I work with, saying that Riverdale was really good on Netflix. So I started watching that and she was not lying. It's fucking amazing. I've watched 2 episodes. I think there's 4 out right now. So I'm just going to get in bed and probably watch one more episode or maybe both episodes, I'm not sure, but that's what's happening right now. So they finally finished this building next door and Marley's pretty upset about it, but it was originally pitched and built under the guise of it being like low-income seniors housing, but we found out today that it is just regular. It's not, I don't even think it's low-income housing. I think it's like I don't even know how to describe it. There's a society that works with homeless people or whatever in town here. It's called the KAAAY Society. And they're the ones that own the building. Basically, the reason I'm telling you this story is if you can see like down right there in the corner. So that corner is like right outside our deck on the back of the building there. And that's their smoke pit. So they just, there's like at any given time, like 5 or 6 people out there smoking and like talking and yelling and stuff like that right by our deck, and we can hear it in the living room when the door is open. And so they just finished this building not that long ago, and it's only 10% full right now. So if there's like 5 or 6 people out there right now, then when it's full, there's going to be people out there all the time. And so Marley went over there and talked to them today and was like, can you not move or direct people to go to the other side of the building and smoke, which is on the other side of the building. It's just parking lot for a commercial building. And so like after hours and during the day, people aren't really there. And the guy was just like, oh, well, that's the place that they've chosen or whatever. So that's super fucking annoying. So that was a long ramble on about people smoking, but I'm just gonna put away that stuff that I got from Fashion Nova and then get in bed and probably watch 1 or 2 more episodes of the Riverdale. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to, so I work all day and then we're going to my mom's house afterwards. So I'll probably catch up with you guys at some point tomorrow. It's Monday right now and I'm just headed to work. I work until about 2:30 or so today, and then I have somebody for hair extensions. It's just been kind of super busy, and the type of busy that's not very interesting to vlog, or you can't vlog or whatever. So yeah, oh, and my battery's flashing dead. So what I will do is maybe vlog a little bit later tonight when Marley and I make dinner and stuff, and then put this all together tomorrow or something and see what it is. Why? Why?